Hello everyone, and welcome to another Christmas video. I hope you're having a lovely December and that you're filled with the magic of Christmas. I started my morning with a cup of coffee and the sound of my favorite thrift find of the year, this clock that plays a different Christmas carol every hour. I just love it so much. It was time to wrap some presents, so I sliced up some oranges because I wanted to add some pretty decorations to my gifts this year. I got some Victorian-inspired gift wrap from Amazon and a roll of beautiful paper from World Market. And I also got some green ribbon that I purchased from Walmart to add to my gifts. This beautiful Tudor royalty sweatshirt is for my sister. I got it from Etsy, and I'll link it down below. I saw on Instagram that people were cutting out these little houses from the Trader Joe's Christmas bags and using them as embellishments on their gifts. So I used this World Market bag as wrapping paper for the gift, and then I added the cute little house and some twine as the decor. After wrapping presents, my kids were getting hungry, so I started on some cinnamon rolls for them. I just used some Rhodes brand rolls. You can find them in the freezer section. I let them thaw in the fridge overnight and then let them sit on the counter for a couple hours, and it makes the perfect cinnamon roll dough. I saw I softened half a cup of Amish butter. This is sold at my local Publix grocery store. I mixed some cinnamon, allspice, and sugar in a bowl. I spread out the butter and then topped the cinnamon sugar mixture on top of that and just rubbed it in. And I cut the cinnamon rolls with some unflavored dental floss, and I just set them in a covered pan to rise for another 30 minutes. Once those rose, I added some heavy cream to the pan and I baked them in a 375-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Then I topped them with frosting made from powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and half and half. My family said these were the best cinnamon rolls in the world. Next, I got started on a gift basket I wanted to make for my aunt. I made gingerbread, chocolate chip, and Earl Grey lavender cookies, and I put them in a beautiful cookie tin that I found at a thrift store. I thoroughly washed it, of course. I labeled the cookies and then tied the tin with a ribbon. took this cute set of plates and tied them with twine. And taking a basket that was also a thrift find, I filled the basket with cookies, the plates, some praline pecans I purchased at a local Christmas market, and some Scottish lemon curd. I finished it off with a beautiful dish towel to give it a rustic homemade touch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope your Christmas is filled with magic and hope for the new year to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.